Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 30th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So I just want you to really be mindful of the fact, be careful of these attempted fake breakouts, either to the upside or downside from these inside days, from balance, prior to the Fed tomorrow. NQ attempted to break out, inside day to the upside, pretty much failed. ES has a double inside day. So, again, you would expect some good movement. But just please monitor it for continuation and just as importantly, lack of. You got jolts at 10 o'clock. Again, another number that should be out prior to the opening, which might move the market. Again, inside of yesterday in ES, we do have a 9-wide point of control, and K is an afternoon pullback. NQ ended only 8 wide, but a pullback in K. I did not use H as anything too close to the day's high. Righty went out with a double distribution day to the downside. Right now they're playing in the overnight in a lower distribution. Again, a pretty wide overnight as our ranges have expanded. So a little over $3.50 in ES, and in NQ right now it is 280 to 075, so it's 205 points, and it's over $4. So, over $5. So, very nice ranges, and that's what we need, right? We want ranges. We need volatility. So, as far as the game plan, again, it depends where the overnight high is, but certainly those are plays that you could front run. Again, let me re-emphasize. If you open near an overnight high or low, they become pretty good trades to front run. However, like yesterday, when you open in the middle and you're not near the overnight high or low, and then we traded and shot up to it in A, it kind of becomes the opposite for me most times, not all, to try to take the long, say, to get that overnight high like I did yesterday. So there is a difference. There's always context in trading. Don't forget, we did have a poor high in ES and in SPY. I would think if we open up inside of yesterday's ranges, expect some pretty good chop prior to 10 a.m. And again, that's where you're getting this live update and live webinar while this thing is being live streamed for free. So I really suggest you come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. And then on the chart, again, here's your daily. It's a 4-day balance. Those gaps up above are our main focus. And in triple Qs, which I don't know isn't in here, give me 1 second. I just want to see what I was using for their daily balance. Now, some people might use this as a 3-day balance, and I pretty much was, because last Wednesday's high was much higher than where ES's was. So I'm using this as a 3-day balance. So again, we'll see if we come out of yesterday's range to the upside. Excuse me, how we react up at that level. But for me, most likely, even though I might call the daily up at that point, I'm certainly not going to ignore that day's high, because that starts the large gap. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.